Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com. Let's take a real quick look together at these Ultra-Fab slide-out supports for motorhomes. Now we do carry these in 3 different height ranges, and what I have here on my table here are the 26 to 47 inch option, but if you don't need that much range of height, we do have 2 other options for you. We have 21 inch to 37 inch and then 16 inch to 28 inch. So whichever one is going to work best for you, just take the appropriate part number there, pop it in the search field of our website. That will take you to that particular set and you can add those to your order, but everything else is going to be the same with these supports. So when you're out enjoying your RV, the last thing that you want to do is worry about your slide out potentially sagging. That's where these Ultra-Fab slide out supports are really going to shine for you. These do feature a reliable U-channel bracket design, and these brackets are actually going to straddle the frame member snugly, helping to prevent any sagging of your RV slide out and keeping everything in perfect alignment. So this has an inside bracket width of 4 3/4 inches inside to inside there, and then the outside bracket width is 5 inches, and this is tailored to fit securely, reducing the risk of the frame damage of your slide out. And the height of the U bracket is going to be right at about 1 3/8 inches, and then the length or the depth is going to be right at about 2.5 inches. So whether you're camping with a motorhome, a fifth wheel, or a travel trailer, these supports are going to be able to accommodate different types of RVs with their height adjustable feature. And since I really don't have the clearance here to extend these all the way up, I'm just going to take this one, tilt it to the side a little bit. And so as you can see, this is going to be able to easily extend to that height adjustment that you're looking for. And then you're just going to take this push button lock here, and then that's going to lock that into place, as you can see. So that's how easy these are going to be to adjust. So you just push that button, and then that's going to allow this to slide back down. And then whichever height you need to set this for, you'll just put that there, and then that's going to lock that support in place. So very easy. So as I mentioned, this set in particular has a range from 26 inches to 47 inches. And I just wanted to show you when you have this fully collapsed, just going to get my tape measure here. I'm going to just be measuring from the ground that it's sitting on all the way to the inside of the U bracket there, so you can see when it's fully retracted or collapsed, it is 26 inches. So these are going to be versatile for virtually almost any type of RV slide out, and it's going to be very easy to set that height adjustment that you're looking for. Now these also have a 700-pound support capacity individually, so when you use these together, you're going to get a combined weight capacity of 1,400 pounds to ensure that your slide out is firmly stabilized, and that's going to be the same weight capacity for the other 2 shorter ranges of slide outs from Ultra-Fab as well that I showed you at the beginning of our time together. So these supports are going to help distribute the weight. They're going to help maintain the stability from when your RV is stationary. And these are going to keep your slide out safe and secure from potential structural issues. You just want to remember that they're not to be used for lifting. These are strictly for stabilization and support. So these are constructed on the outside here of a textured powder coat steel, and the inside is going to be a zinc finish there, all to fight off that corrosion. And another measurement that you might be interested in is the base. So let me get my ruler here real quick, check that out. So it looks like the diameter of the base is about 4 1/4 inches, just so you know. And then if you find out that you might be like on a sandy surface or a surface that might be kind of soft, you could also get blocks or something that's going to spread out that the surface there a little bit so these don't sink into that softer terrain. So support blocks or something like that. We do have those options here at eTrailer.com. So whether you get these supports or you get those other supports that I showed you that have the shorter height ranges, We would love to hear back from you how you are using these supports, and even get some pictures from you as well so we can see your setup and how these are working for your current setup. So you can call us, you can email us, leave us a review, send us some photos so we can see how these are working out for you. Well, I think that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.